Out of that deadly truck attack in Stockholm, Sweden. The Prime Minister, as we said, calling it an act of terror. NBC's Kelly Kobiea is monitoring developments from our London newsroom. Kelly, what do we know?
Well, Lester, just in the past few minutes, we heard from the national police chief, the top cop in Sweden, essentially, and he said that, first of all, he couldn't confirm any casualty numbers, but he did say that they have a suspect in mind. In fact, they have a suspect picture that they've been distributing within Sweden, a picture of a man in a hoodie with a beard and mustache wearing a green jacket. From what we understand, this is how it happened. A beer truck owned by a Swedish beer company crashed into the wall of this high-end department store in the center part of Stockholm at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. It would have been a very busy part of Stockholm. This is a pedestrian area. People would have been out shopping at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We understand as well from the beer company, the spokesman telling NBC News that the truck was stolen earlier today while the driver was making a delivery. That driver was able to talk to police and give them some information, and of course, as I mentioned, we now have a picture being circulated as well. This has reverberations around Europe, condolences as well as messages of support coming in from leaders throughout Europe, and also ramifications. In fact, in Norway, they're already arming police in Norway's biggest cities as a result of this attack. Lester?
Kelly Kobiea, thanks. We'll continue to monitor that story as well as all the other stories of the day. We'll have full coverage on MSNBC and on NBCNews.com. And a complete wrap-up tonight on NBC Nightly News. For now, I'm Lester Holt, NBC News, New York. Good day. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.